oh, she said she wants some. Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that.
Hi everyone, you guys will be spending 4th of July with me and I'm so excited. So yesterday I drove from Maryland to North Carolina and I'll be honest, I was slumped last night when I got here. I was done. That's why you guys see me just like this. I spent the night at my friend's house and so now it's currently 10:30 and we're supposed to be having a beach day today. So let's get up and go.
I'm who they hate. This shit come with a thing. That's how I knew that I made it. I woke up looking this good. I'm in my prime. These niggas gotta get played. If these bitches ain't mad, I need to go harder. I can't let them think we the same. Hands sitting up like a horse's, put it like a portrait. Mouth full of diamonds and porcelain. Bitch, I know I'm gorgeous. Little bitty waist, big titties, I don't need no corset. Rich off these endorsements. Shot hoes lazy. I always worry about a boyfriend. Posse and thinking and think I'm tasting the money. It look like I ate a few high. Just hopped on a G6. I'm getting hit while I'm playing my switch. This nigga found out about that nigga. I don't give a fuck cause I'm a pimp. Bitch, I look good in my throwbacks. Look good chubby, I look good slim. Ignoring the haters that speak on my body. This pussy in front of them. Ayy, pulling whole scale pack like a scrunchie. Tuned in, you gotta be monthly. A bum bitch can't get in my country. Surrounded by sauce like I'm repping my country. Protection, whole lot of projecting. You do the shit that you put on the next bitch. Bet against me, fuck up your parlay. These niggas know I'm the biggest investment. I'm at the top of my game. I'm who they hate. This shit come with a thing. That's how I knew that I made it. I woke up looking this good. I'm in my prime. These niggas gotta get played. If these bitches ain't mad, I need to go harder. I can't let them think we snake. Everything bigger in Texas. No injections. We had to pro no elections. Bitch, don't come around me trying to pass out drugs. Oh, I ain't popping no Teslas. I don't wanna take no pictures.
So this is the bathing suit that I found yesterday. I'm gonna show you guys some clips of like that whole process.
I look like I got a 10. Target right now. And my dumbass wants to find a swimsuit, knowing that all the swimsuits are probably taken.
Yo, just look lost. I get this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it weren't for you. Yeah, only want your love if it's solid. If you fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. And that's the way I like it. Ain't cooking a smile for none of these bitches. That's the way I like it. I'm wiping them down for funny niggas. That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30. Chat. She fold that bitch, no yoga mat.
Ow, my ear. Oh, I'm so sorry. So, today we're going to Wrightsville Beach. Talk about Wrightsville, that's where they filmed that movie. Or maybe it's a show. Where it was like Bella and a white boy. It's on Netflix, actually.
That's what you do. From the moment we kiss in the beach, that's right.
They filmed that at Wrightsville Beach, actually. There's fireworks. If not, it's gonna be disappointing. I'm probably gonna watch Love Island again. Don't listen to that. Love Island. You guys love Love Island. I love Love Island. Love Island loves me. Like, what can I say?
Y'all, we're at the beach and this is so nice. Oh my gosh, y'all can see the air in my hair. It's so nice. I'm so glad to be outside. Happy 4th, y'all. Literally happy 4th. I'm so glad to be here. It was a 2-hour drive, y'all. I'm so tired, but like this literally woke me up. Just like being out here literally woke me up because it was a 2-hour drive. But this is just so nice. Okay, y'all, so we've been at the beach this whole time. I literally been just walking across the beach in the sand. I just been walking back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And I'm not gonna lie, like I just been sitting here and it's just been very nice and peaceful. The weather is beautiful. It's so nice out. It's literally so good. And I took some pictures. I'll show y'all. And now I'm literally just picking out which ones I want to post, because I took a lot of pictures. So now I'm literally picking which ones I want to post. I literally almost ate all my friend's Rice Krispie treats because I'm so hungry. Like, I've just been eating her Rice Krispie treats. But it's so nice out here, y'all. Like, I wish I lived down here actually. Hey y'all, it's a new day. As you guys can see from some of the clips from yesterday, I had a very fun time at the beach. We saw fireworks. We were down at Wrightsville Beach, and it was like very perfect. I don't really like North Carolina because I do go to school out there, and I don't like it out there, but I will say Wilmington was beautiful, wonderful, perfect. Everything about it was just great. I'm so glad I got to hang out with my friend. I'm so glad that it was just a great time. So I'm sorry I also didn't get that many clips yesterday, because it was just like I was just out. I was driving a lot. To get to the beach, it was 2 hours. So I had to drive 2 hours there, 2 hours back. We had to drive to the fireworks. It was just a lot of like back and forth, but I will say I had a lot of fun just chilling and relaxing and just being in the sun. But I am gonna end the video here. I have a 400 I have a 4 hour and 40 minute drive. I'll get back home at 3:11, and so I'm not going to bore you guys with the driving, because y'all know I'm always in the car. I'm always driving. So, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm so glad that I had the opportunity, you know, just to be out. I'm just glad that, you know, I just was able to get out and do things and just have a fun weekend. But I will see you guys next time, and thank you guys so much for watching this video.